we're going to have fun with pen. And P.S. You're going to need the pen extension for this. So get pen up, eraser, and pen down. You're also going to need set pen color to set it to anything. I'm going to set it to black and connect pen up, eraser, and set pen color to the green flag clicked button. You're going to need a wait. You're going to need and say for 2 seconds. Make it say, "Let's try," and then connect it and the pen down to it. Alright, let's set it to you can make anything you want, any shape you want, as long as it's simple. I'm going to make a square. Let's try it out. There it is. Now you're going to kill Scratch Cat and reincarnate him into Dan the Smart Dot. There you have it. And there you have it. You have your own simple shape made with pen. And what will you come up with? What will you come up with if while using pen? And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.